Hi, I'm Annabelle Kindersley, Neal's Yard Remedies, and we're here today at a community planting day. We're working with this amazing organisation who are a non-profit called Grow to Know, and that's Danny and Tayshan, growing lots of plants in disused spaces to put back into the community. We're looking at plants that are really good for biodiversity, but also we do know that green spaces give you a real sense of well-being, and that's what we're all about. We really care about biodiversity, especially pollinators, so we've got lots of pollinator-friendly plants, and you might ask why that's important. We depend on our pollinators for a healthy ecosystem to grow our natural ingredients for Neal's Yard, but not only that, 1 in 3 mouthfuls of food depends on our pollinators. In fact, I've got a tiny baby echinacea plant here that we bought from our eco factory in Dorset, and I'm looking forward to seeing it through the season grow into this beautiful plant that the bees could just forage on. So I'd better get back to planting.